this is Sarah from Ara Beauty, and today I'm going to be doing a no makeup look with using no foundation. This is going to be a very healthy, dewy, natural look, and if you want to see how I do my natural face routine, then just keep on watching. Oh, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click on the post notification bell so you can see every time that I upload a video, and let's go ahead and get started, okay? First thing that I'm going to do is what's really important for a natural skin look is to really do your skincare first. So I've already washed my face is cleansed, everything like that. First thing that I'm going to do is go in with the Neutrogena Hydrogel Boost. And I'm just going to give my face just a nice drink of water. I take like 2 pumps on my hand. This stuff is really amazing. I also use the cleanser. I'm really loving it. I'll do a skincare video soon. Everybody keeps asking me about it. My hair right now is looking atrocious, so please excuse that. After you've rubbed that into your skin, the next thing that I'm going to do is go in with some primer. So the first one that I'm going to start off with is kind of a holy grail. The Physicians Formula Rose All Day. It comes in this amazing little dropper, and I usually use a fair amount of this stuff. This gives you a nice illuminated look, and for a no makeup or no foundation makeup look, this is very essential, I feel, because those light reflecting particles really do help to, blur any flaws that you might be having with your skin and really amp up your look. So it has like a pink hue to it, but that doesn't translate. And to further illuminate my skin, the next primer that I'm going to go in with is the L'Oreal LUMI Magic Primer. I love this primer, and definitely if I'm going to the gym or something like that, I'm definitely going to use a little bit of this. This one is much more illuminating than the Physicians Formula one, and I really love it. Alright guys, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm actually going to conceal any blemishes that I have on my face, and what I'm going to use to do that is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Light. So this is really good for just kind of hiding problem areas. It's my holy grail concealer. It's just kind of one that's never failed me, and I've actually never stopped using it since I started using it. I'm also going to take it down under my eyes. Since we're not having a foundation look here, we do need to conceal under our eyes just a little bit and any redness that we may have. So basically I'm using this mainly underneath the eye, and then I will also use it to just kind of blur out any imperfections on my skin. See, I have these little hyperpigmentations here, not today, and around my mouth area I have those hyperpigmentations too. Basically, you know what, just put this all over. We're kind of cheating. I'm going to blend that concealer in with a beauty blender. I'm telling you guys, ever since I started using a beauty blender, it has changed my makeup game. I'm sure a lot of you guys already know how I feel about a beauty blender. I put it in my favorites. Concealer onto my eyelids a little bit just to cancel out any darkness that's on my eyelids. And you guys can see that it's I'm not trying to hide anything, I'm just trying to conceal the under eye area and any crazy hyperpigmentation. This is not a glam look. This is an everyday natural makeup. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a few spritzes of this Pixi Hydrating Milky Mitt. I'm going to do a few spritz of the Pixi Skin Treats Hydrating Milky Mist with hyaluronic acid and black oat. This is quickly, look how much I used. This has quickly been my favorite. And I'm just going to spray just to give our face that come back to life with the dewy look. I'm going to set my under eye area. I'm not going to really set the rest of my face. Maybe just lightly where I'm going to be putting my bronzer and my blush, but nothing too crazy. So I'm just going to take the tip of my beauty sponge, and I'm not going to bake, how I usually would. I'm just going to get right under my eye area, and that is it. I just want to really brighten up that area. That's the main focus here, really just brightening up the areas that just need a little help, and you know, you don't have to go so ham all the time.
It's just a shame his hair today. It's just a shame.
Alright, so the next thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go in with a little bit of bronzer. This has been slowly one of my favorites, the L'Oreal LUMI BronzeIT, and this is the light shade. Look how large this pan is. Obviously I've gone in a little bit on this powder. And I'm going to take a small Y13 or Y10 brush, and I use this just to kind of chisel out my face just a little bit, and then I'll take a bigger brush. We're not trying to do any crazy contour here or anything. We're just trying to bronze up the face just on the sides. I'm gonna go ahead and take that same brush that I used for my bronzer and kind of like sweep away this powder that I put underneath my eye. And as you can see, it just really brightens up that area. And that's what I really like about this powder. It's just so brightening. Okay, so for my natural makeup days, I definitely love this blush, and this is actually a Holy Grail blush. It's in my favorites. It's been with me for a very long time, the Milani Luminoso. Stuff lasts forever. I've had this same one for such a long time now. And it's just a really easy blush. And it gives you just that illumination. It makes you look really fresh and awake. On no makeup days, blush is a must.
And you also have to excuse my eyebrows because I need to go get them threaded. It's been a while.
For my highlighter, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Highlighter Mega Glow Powder, and this is in Precious Petals. This is like an OG. Like I think I've used like, I've had like 3 of these since I've been doing my makeup, and like it's like an all-time favorite. These are so affordable. You can get them at the drugstore, and they're just amazing. I'm taking it on a fan brush and for my skin tone, this color is just amazing. It just does something for my skin. Now, even on my natural, no makeup days, highlighter for me is a must. I wear highlighter to the gym. I think I've told you guys that before. Like, I love a good highlight. So take it on all your highlighty areas, top of the cheekbones. Just get it right over your forehead a little bit, on your cupid's bow, a little on your chin. Basically, you want to give your face all over illumination. So this is the guy that has been trying to get in my video for the last half hour, so I thought I would show him. This is Tux. This is our cat. He's really an outdoor-indoor cat, and he doesn't really like to be held, but he is super cute. He's got such a big personality, and we love him. Alright, so for eyes, we're going to do something really quick and easy. Basically, I'm going to take my most valuable player here, my base brush, as I like to call it, and I'm going to dip into this shade over here. It's a really nice base. It's very close to the creme brulee shade that I'm used to using. So I'm just going to start with that, and basically what this kind of a shade is going to do for you, it's going to basically cancel out any vascularization that you have on your lid. That is one thing that I just do not really like.
What are you doing? My cat is just like, he's just going through it today. Yeah, so just gonna put that all over the eye. No, get your...
I'm going to take in this beautiful transition right here, this transition color, and I'm going to just define my crease. Like I said, this is not going to be like some kind of crazy eye look, but it really does make a difference. I'm going to take a Y17 brush and I'm going to dip into this color. And these are so affordable. You can buy them at any drugstore and they are like $6.99. And these eyeshadows are pretty good. They're like up there with some of the best eyeshadows. The packaging is just the only thing that bothers me about them. So that is pretty much it. See how I'm just gonna create some definition right there? over to the other eye. You can, like I said, you can do this with the bronzer, the same bronzer that you put on your face. You can also just use it to define out your crease. I just had this in front of me, so I thought I would use it. Perfect. Now, I'm not going to go really under the eye because I don't want this to get too crazy, but I'll take one of the defining brushes from the Eco Tools set. It looks like this, got like a nice small thing. And I'm going to take the highlighter that I used on my face and I'm going to highlight my inner corner. That's just going to really brighten up your eye look and really make your makeup look, it's just going to look a little bit more fresh and put together. And to finish off the face, I'm going to spray again my Pixi Milky Mist. The hyaluronic acid in here really just does something for your look. And also for the highlighter on your face. It really just brings it all together, makes it super cohesive, and makes a lot of sense. And my hair just, and then I'm gonna take my beauty sponge, my favorite trick, and just pat over my face, and it's gonna make all the powders, the very little bit of powder that we put on our face with the bronzer and the blush, it's gonna make it very cohesive. Love it. My face, I don't know if it's translating on camera, my face looks super duper healthy and moisturized and just gorgeous, like in my personal opinion. For mascara, I'm going to put on a little bit of Lash Paradise. This mascara can do no wrong for me. It's mascara, when I first started, it's what I bought first because Tati told me to. And she's kind of the beauty guru that I go to whenever I'm really looking for an honest review, an honest opinion. You know, I'm not trying to get suckered into buying something. She's one of the few that I watch when I really want to watch what products are really actually good. Alright, so this is the final step. For a lip gloss or a lipstick, I'm going to go in with the Salma Hayek Nuance liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Nude Nectar. I keep this in my purse every single day. It has a minty scent, and when I want that like perfect nude, natural, like really quick and easy, I wouldn't call this a lipstick. This is, for me, this is a lip gloss. Perfect. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys really liked my no makeup look. I didn't use any foundation. All I used is pretty much just a mild amount of powders, mostly concealer to cover up any kind of blemishes that I wanted to hide and brighten up my under eye. I'm really liking the way that this turned out. I like doing that small eye define with a brown transition color. It really just makes your eyes pop. It makes everything just look very natural and cohesive, but yet still like, oh, she's very put together. She makes you look very put together, and it's a beautiful look. This lip gloss definitely ties it in and ties it together to make it a very natural brown toned look. So comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this look. I am in love with it. I hope you guys really love it too. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the post notification bell to see all of my uploads whenever they come live. And you can also follow me on Instagram. I'll put all my socials down in the description box below. And yeah, I appreciate any feedback that you guys send me, and I am really so happy that you guys are enjoying my videos. And again, just a huge thank you. I'm very overwhelmed with how much love and support that I've been getting from you guys, and I can't thank you enough. So I hope you guys have a wonderful one wherever you are and whatever you're doing, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.